In this video, we're going to show you how you can use Smartsheet Control Center Global Updates to find and replace data. Now, what you can do here is you can either update static text or you can actually update formulas in a cell or range of cells. Now, the real benefit of this is that if you want to go and update something, or if a director says, no, I don't agree with this, it needs to be this, and you have to go through and update all your sheets, that's going to take a huge amount of time if you do that manually. But with global updates, it is straightforward. I want to give you an example here. So if we come on to this example here, the director has just said, I don't agree that the current stage feasibility is right. I think this should be business case. So what we can do here is you can come into Control Center, you can say find replace. So let's go and click on to find and replace. Next. And we're going to say here find and replace feasibility to business case. And the blueprint is this one. We're going to set the template, which is weekly update sheet. Next, so we're going to find feasibility. Let's go and copy that exactly as it is. We're going to find feasibility, and we're going to replace with business case. And in the columns, which is unselect, always go through and select one, which is current stage. And then we're going to say create and run. So let's do an example here, the VW pair 500. Apply the test. Off it goes. And let's have a look to see what it comes back with. Open the test sheet. So we're hoping that the feasibility will change to business case. It has. Now, but I've stupidly said 3 business cases instead of 2. So what I need to do here is come back to Control Center, edit, again, come through here again and just go and get this one right. So that's quite a good run through this. Go to next. That's my mistake. Come through here, go to 2. Let's close this one down because we don't need that tab there. Update and run. Let's try VW pair again. Okay, and this one will work. Off we go. So success, open the test sheet. Now that's worked. Now, of course, if you're doing this, you need to update it in the drop-down list as well. So again, what you've got to go and do here is to modify existing columns and just update the drop-down list. But at least this way you can update the list and then go and retrospectively change anything you have. So look, that's worked nicely. Confirm. Yes, I'm happy with that. Apply update. Are you sure? Yes, I'm very sure. And it's going to apply it to the template as well, which is fine. Okay, this is permanent. Yes, let's go and do it. So again, this is going to take a couple of seconds. So this is all looking quite encouraging. And again, this one here is probably going to take a minute or 2 to go through. But you can see the power of this, because if you have to update these things manually, I mean, honestly, it's a soul-destroying job to have to go and do this. And I'm sure most of you have been in a situation where that has to happen. But this is just a thing of beauty. So, okay, it's happened. We've done it. And just to go and double check, let's go back into the previous project we were in, which was, okay, let's go and check this one here. Has this updated? Reload the page. Yeah, business case. So, fantastic. Job done.